Friends, we had discussed till here. We discussed this also. This was equator. Fine. Now we were talking about some more parallel lines which we imagine. Okay, and these parallel lines are imagined to the north as well as to the south of equator. Okay, and the last line to the north as well as to the south of equator is in form of points. Okay, and which I did explain that these points are known as north pole and this one is known as south. Fine. So this much I did explain in past lecture. So these are the lines which are parallel to equator, and all these lines, they are given a name, and that name is latitude. Okay, all these lines which are parallel to equator, they are known as latitude. Fine. Now each latitude, okay, they are measured in degrees. Okay, so in what way latitudes are measured? They are measured in degrees, and we all know that in the northern hemisphere and in the hemisphere, okay, so the portion below this equator is southern hemisphere and the portion above this equator is known as northern hemisphere. Fine. So I told you that each latitude is measured in degree, and one more thing is added with each latitude, that is we add north oblique south with each latitude. Okay, only you can say equator is without N or S. All these lines which are in the northern hemisphere, okay, all these latitudes which are in the northern hemisphere, fine, latitudes which are in northern, they will have N with them, and all the latitudes which are located in southern hemisphere, they will have S with them, that is N and S, they will denote north and south. Fine. So now I'll tell you about these degrees. So every latitude will have two things. First, they will be measured in degrees, and secondly they will have what? N or S with them. Fine. So we come to the equator. This is equator, and this equator is dividing Earth into two equal parts. Okay. Now one portion is this, which is visible to us, but the other portion is at the back side of the Earth, which is not visible to us. So we know that whole Earth, okay, when we talk about whole Earth, it is about 360 degrees. Fine. Now Earth, which is visible to us, which is on this side of this board, it is half. Okay, and again this equator divides that half portion into two parts. That is, this portion of Earth which is visible to us is how much? 1/4, and this portion is 1/4, and the other 1/4 northern hemisphere is towards the back side, and other 1/4 southern hemisphere is towards the back side of this portion. Okay, so total Earth is 360 degrees. Now we talk about this 1/4. Fine. So if total Earth is 360 degrees, and what would be 1/4 of Earth? It will be 90. So how many degrees will be there in this portion? It would be only total 90 degrees. Fine. Okay, and now we denote equator as 0 degree. Okay, so this is the starting point. This is the starting point of our counting. Okay, so after equator, the next line which is parallel to equator will be 1 degree. One more line will be, the next line will be 2 degree. Next line will be, okay, 3 degree, and so on. It will continue, and when we reach this point, it will be 90 degree. So the point, or you can say the smallest latitude which is at North Pole will be 90 degree. Fine. Now this same process is repeated in the southern hemisphere. So here the first latitude after equator will be 1 degree. Second one will be 2 degree. Third one will be 3 degree, and so on. And the last and the smallest latitude in the southern hemisphere will be denoted, or will be 90 degree. Fine. So this was all about degrees. Okay, so now you can measure latitudes in degrees. Fine. Now the next portion, which is in the northern hemisphere, we have N with them, and in the southern hemisphere we have what? S with them. So after this is equator, so after equator this is 1 degree, so we will have N with it. After this we will have 2 degree, so we will have 2 degree N with it. 3 degree will have 3 degree N with it, and this N denotes northern hemisphere. Okay, so this is done in order to remove the confusion, as we have 1 degree in northern hemisphere also, and we have 1 degree in southern hemisphere also. We have 90 degree in northern hemisphere also, and 90 degree in southern hemisphere. Fine. So N and S tells us about the location of a latitude, whether that latitude is located in southern hemisphere or in the northern hemisphere. All the latitudes, okay, all the latitudes located in northern hemisphere will have an and all the latitudes located in southern hemisphere will have S. Fine. Okay, this was all about latitudes. Now I would like to tell you some characteristics of these latitudes. Okay, first of all, latitudes. Okay, these are horizontal, that is they are like this. Fine. The second characteristics of latitudes is they are all parallel. That means these lines, they do not cut each other, bisect each other. Okay, their size, okay, the size of these latitude decreases, okay, from equator towards poles. Their size decreases from equator to poles. Fine. And you can say that if you include equator, then there are 181 latitudes, and if you do not include equator in latitudes, there are 180 latitudes. Fine. Smallest latitude, smallest latitudes, there are two smallest latitude, 90 degree N and 90 degree S, and the largest latitude is only one, and that is equator. Fine. Now I would like to tell you the distance. Okay, the distance between two latitudes. Okay, it remains almost same, but at equator, where at equator the distance between two latitudes, okay, is 110.567 kilometers. That is here between this equator and this latitude, equator and this latitude. Here the distance is 110.56 kilometers, and in miles it would be 68.703. How many miles? 68.703 miles. And rest of these latitudes, okay, rest all these latitudes, they have a distance of nearly 111 kilometers. How much? These latitudes, they have a distance of 111 kilometers, and in miles it would be round about 69 miles. Okay, this is the distance between two latitudes. Fine.